1. Grow Maximum XXL Hair and Beard Growth Oil for Men. Beard serum that fills patches and fix thinning, guaranteed facial hair and scalp treatment, thickening conditioner and enhancer USA. Made jumpstart new growth, fix hair thinning, receding hairlines, and grow a great beard fast with Grow. It's the first hair growth serum made with premium organic ingredients in optimized doses to give you up to 218% increased hair growth so you can get the hair and beard you've always wanted. Accelerate your growth rate 5x. Grow accelerates your growth rate faster than the leading medicated ingredient. We formulated this hair growth oil-based serum to support circulation for optimum strand nourishment. That's why other hair growth products for men don't make the cut. Extend your anagen growth phase. Grow lengthens the time your hair is actually growing by 13%. This makes room for more hair to grow and for each strand to fully develop. With our exclusive hair oil formula, you're sure to step your game up. Increase hair follicle density and diameter. Get 236% deeper hair follicles and 120% increase in dermal thickness for thicker, fuller, and stronger hair. Not only do you grow hair fast, but also enhance and condition it to make it look and feel its absolute best. Your satisfaction is our priority. At Best Beard Stuff, we stand by our claims. If you are unsatisfied with our hair and beard oil for any reason, just return the unused portion within 30 days for a full refund. No questions asked. 2. Beard Growth Kit. Beard Kit. Beard Grooming Kit with Beard Wash 2-pack Beard Growth Oil, Beard Balm Brush, Comb Scissors. Beard Care Kit for Men Stuff. Unique Christmas gift set. The Beard Set with Beard Wash. Zenith Beard Kit includes beard shampoo wash to wash your beard without stripping your skin of its own oils. They have a pH-balanced formula to leave your beard shinier and make it grow faster. 2-pack Beard Growth Oil and Balm. Zenith Beard Oil. Beard Balm is made of high-quality jojoba oil, argan oil and vitamin E to prompt beard growth and control dandruff and split ends, leaves your beard tidy and in good appearance. No more irritation or flakes. Beard Brush. Beard Comb. Beard Scissors. Boar Bristle Brush and Wood Comb massage facial hair, stimulate oil production and keep hair stay smooth. Sharp Scissor offers accurate trimming for beard hair, straightener and neat beard keeps you looking damn good. Beard Storage Bag and Beard Care e-book. Portable storage bag that organizes your beard products easily. Good for travel. The Beard e-book tells how to maintain and grow a beard fast. A perfectly groomed beard will give you the confidence to conquer every goal. Unique gift set for men. Premium packaging makes it ready for sending as a gift for a beard man, his or their boyfriend on his birthday, Valentine's Day. 3. Beard Kit for Men Grooming and Care with Beard Wash Shampoo 3 packs Beard Growth Oil, Beard Balm Leave-In Conditioner, Beard Comb, Beard Brush, Beard Scissor 100% pure and organic Beard Growth Kit. Great value. Included in the Beard Kit are shampoo, balm, 3 beard oils, plus Beard Care ebook, comb, boar's hair brush and stainless steel scissors. Storage bag. Because a single shampoo retails a lot, it is not included in most kits. Definition of a great deal. A clean beard is a happy beard. Our wash, used twice a week, will help condition your beard and give it shine. It is formulated especially for beards and adds vitamins and oils. Will not strip your beard of natural oils like regular shampoo. Superior Beard Growth Oil and Beard Balm. Our beard oil and beard balm are formulated to promote men's beard growth and keep your beard amazingly soft, shiny, smooth, and full. Mainly made of argan oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter. No additives or harsh ingredients. Treat your beard right. Our well-made beard brush, beard comb and sharp scissors make trimming, shaping, and taming and straightener your beard easier than ever. We are professional in beard care, and we know what you need. Just buy with confidence. Perfect gift for the bearded guy in your life. Looking for a Christmas gift for your loved one? Fullite Tech Beard Set is an ideal introduction to natural beard care. Works great for any type of beard. Long, short, thick, or thin. Unique stocking stuffers. 4. Beard Growth Kit. Beard Grooming Kit with Beard Roller, Beard Wash Shampoo, Beard Growth Serum, Beard Growth Oil. Beard Growth Supplements set with extra beard growth. Beard Roller or 0.25 mm. Beard Roller is so easy to use. Run it through your facial hair horizontally, vertically and diagonally, 8 to 10 times back and forth on each area, for promoting the absorption of beard care products to grow a thicker and fuller beard faster. This completed beard kit includes everything you need for beard growth and care. Novelty Father Day gifts, Valentine, Christmas gifts for men. Him Dad best match with beard growth serum and beard growth oil. This is the only shaving soap bowls kit that contains both beard growth serum and beard growth oil. They are formulated with castor seed oil, essential vitamins, and proteins to help grow facial hair stronger, healthier, and promote beard growth faster, thicker and fuller. Keep beard hair soft and vigorous, moisturize and condition facial hair. Choose this best match, and you will find that it grows your beard faster than other beard kits. Beard Wash Shampoo and Beard Balm before taking the roller and running it through your facial hair. It is a must-have to clean your beard with a wash. Our beard shampoo deodorizes your beard and absorbs quickly, helping to tame, control, clean and reduce itch and beard drift. Instantly makes your beard appear thicker, keeps beard moisturized. Rub beard conditioner balm into the skin to nourish hair at the roots to improve the resistance of the beard and stop the beard from breaking. Beard Buddy Comb and Brush and Trimming Scissors. The dual-sided comb is anti-static, made of high-quality sandalwood, offering the best rapid grooming experience with both its fine and coarse teeth for different hair types. The Boar Bristle Beard Brush is pocket size and fits perfectly in your jeans pocket or bag pocket. You can pull through oils, balms, softeners, serums, and any stuff or groom your facial hair at any time, anywhere. The stainless steel sharp scissor gives the best trimming experience. Best gifts ideas. Valentine's Day gifts for him, Valentine's gifts for him, Valentine's Day gifts for husband, Valentine's gifts for him, Valentine's Day gifts for him husband, Valentine's Day gifts for him. Guide ebook and storage bag. This ebook summarizes the experience of tens of thousands of bearded men. Here is how to quickly grow and maintain beards. The storage bag is made of environmentally friendly materials and makes it easy to take on the road or just keep an extra kit in the office. Perfect as unique romantic gift. 5. Beard straightener with beard balm and beard growth oil and beard comb and beard ebook. Everything you need in one kit. This is the most completed beard straightener kit for men on the market so far, which is a professional and perfect kit to meet all your needs for beard care, grooming, trimming, and straightening. This beard straightener kit is packed in a luxury gift box with patented design. Beard straightener 2-pack beard oil, beard balm, beard comb, beard brush, beard scissor, travel bag, ebook. Great value gifts set as Father's Day gifts, Valentine's Day gifts for men, dad, boyfriend, grandpas. Not hot enough? Wouldn't straighten the beard and hair? with PTC heater technology offers the fastest and most stable heat distribution up to 428-220 degrees centigrade in 2 minutes. The Ionic 3-in-1 Men's Beard Straightener for Men offers 3 heat settings from 356 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, which is suitable for most beard or hair types: soft, thin, thick, or curly. The high-quality material and premium gift box would be top gag gifts for men, fiancés, dads, fathers, coworkers, employees, gifts for men who have everything, etc. Can't straighten hair and the comb bristles easily break off. Our heated beard comb bristles are extra long, constructed of high-quality glass fiber, and no scald-coated teeth materials, durable, not easy to break off. The heating elements are spaced much closer together than other brands, which makes it more contact with beard hair and roots. Ensure every hair is straightened easily with zero damage. Cool birthday day gifts, anniversary gifts, Christmas Day gifts for men's husbands, teen boys. Intelligent security protection and auto detection. Our beard straightening comb doesn't get as hot as a straightening iron and will not burn or damage your hair or finger. Features protective guards around the bristles to avoid scorched or damaged hair. Plus, it will turn off automatically if not used for 30 minutes, and when a malfunction occurs it will stop heating to ensure security. International Universal Voltage 110 to 240 V makes this a great cool travel beard kit gift idea for men. U.S. patented design and CFCC Rose OL approved. U.S. patented design and comes with CFCC Rose OL CA65 tested and approved by TUV and SGS for safety use. A great Christmas gift for men, offers a comfortable ergonomic handle and a flexible 360 degrees rotating power cord to reduce entanglement during use. Slim and lightweight. Add these beard hair perm accessories to your cart. You will find this is a brilliant choice you have ever made. We will provide you with this top men's gift set finest products.